Bago tayo magsimula, ipopromote ko lang ang Mystic Queen Power Bracelet. So para sa mga naghahanap ng Evil Eye Bracelets, available na po ang dalawang klase ng Evil Eye Bracelet sa ating shop. So meron tayong Selenite Evil Eye at Obsidian Evil Eye Bracelet. So parehas lang merong protection and cleansing properties. Ang kaibahan nga lang is ang Selenite is nagre-recharge rin siya ng mga crystals and semi-precious stones na kasama niya. So pwedeng isuot nyo to alongside with other bracelets and i-recharge din niya yon. Ayan. And marami rin tayong iba pang mga bracelets dito for protection and also for healing, attraction ng money, love, and prosperity. Ayan. So, lahat po yan nasa aking online shop. Pakicheck nyo na lang po. Lahat ng link ay nasa description. Happy shopping! Taurus, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At titingnan natin ang energies ng inyong love life ngayong September 2023. This is a general reading, so maaari kayong makarelate, maaring hindi. Just take what resonates. Panoorin nyo rin yung Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs ninyo para sa iba pang mensahe. Meron tayong video na nagpapaliwanag tungkol doon. Link on the description. And thank you so much sa lahat ng sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. If you are interested in private reading, meron tayong 25% discount for September sa mga tarot readings. So lahat ng information nasa description. Kung gusto nyo mag-book, yung link ay nasa description at sa pinned comment. So just a reminder, Taurus, that you have the power to create your own reality. So gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na ito bilang gabay. So, let us see. Unahin natin yung mga singles na Taurus. Ano yung energy ng mga single na Taurus? Single. 5 of Cups. Meron ditong hindi pa rin maka-move on sa kanilang past. Although meron na kayong opportunity to try new things, to experience new things, pero parang you're still parang naghihintay ka pa rin ng comeback. But you're in pain. Meron ditong kakaloka ha. Someone was left in the cold. Meron ditong pinaasa tapos ginost. And hanggat wala kayong nalalaman tungkol dito sa taong to, you are still waiting for this person or may expectations ka pa rin. Although marami ka nang pwedeng subukan, gawin. Yung ba sa inyo, maraming nagkakaroon ng interest sa inyo. Pero hindi nyo pinapansin. Kasi meron kayong hinihintay na bumalik. Parang naghihintay kayo ng closure, naghihintay kayo ng explanation, yung acceptable reason. Sabi nga ni Piolo, I want an explanation, I want an acceptable reason, or something like that. Para hindi nyo maintindihan bakit itong taong to bigla na lang naglaho. Oo. You still want to talk to this person. You still have feelings for this person. Iniisip mo yung mga bagay, panahon, sitwasyon na pinagsamahan ninyo, that you are together. O yan you are reminiscing the past. Tinitingnan mo pa rin, tinatago mo pa rin yung mga pictures ninyo together. Tinitingnan mo pa rin. You're healing. Ito yung kailangan mong bigyan ng focus, yung healing. You might be in a karmic relationship. I think itong person na to natakot. Natakot sa relationship ninyo na kung saan to papunta. Pwedeng hindi niya intention na magkaroon ng romantic connection kayo, pero yun yung nangyari. And even before na ma-fall siya sa'yo, umiwas na siya. And ikaw, mauna ka ma-fall sa kanya. Hindi ka na tuloy maka-move on. So, I think it's time for you to, start something new in your life. Huwag mo na hintayin tong taong to kasi kung para sa'yo to, babalik to eh. Okay? Sayang naman yung mga panahon na pwede kang nag-enjoy, kaya lang hindi mo na-enjoy dahil iniisip mo tong taong to. Na hindi mo alam kung iniisip ka rin ba. 'Di ba? So, let's see for Taurus na in a relationship. Taurus na in a relationship for September. Love life. Oh no. Merong transformation sa relationship. Some of you are may ending. Ending talaga. Oo, may death card eh. Ending a relationship to start something new. You are focusing on your career, your finances. You want freedom. So, mas i-enjoy mo yung freedom mo ngayon. Focusing on your career. Parang the way you are dealing with this breakup is practical. Napaka-practical. Maaring iba sa inyo, you will deal with an ending of a relationship by September. Lalo na kung hindi ka na masaya. Oh. Some of you are in a pwede tong controlling type of relationship. But yung iba naman sa inyo, this can mean pwedeng marriage. Kaya rin siya naging death card is because may transformation sa situation mo. Like you are entering a commitment with someone. Pwedeng Aries, Gemini, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. And Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So that's what I'm seeing. It's either meron ditong mag-e-end na relationship to focus on sa sarili niya, and the other one here is level up ng relationship because you are entering a more committed type of relationship. So, tingnan natin, kuha tayong mga clarifiers for Taurus in a relationship. Healing a heartbreak. Ooh. Avoiding conversations. Yung iba, talaga to, endings ng relationship. It's confirmed. New beginnings, feeling lost. Some of you are heartbroken. Pwede kasing the other person is still trying to, gusto niyang ayusin, pero the other person doesn't want anymore. Bakit may separation? I think alam niyo yung nawala ng feelings. Pwede ring merong ibang nagugustuhan yung other person. Kaya pinili niyang i-end yung relationship, but the other person still wants to work things out with the person na ayaw na. Pero feeling ko, walang magagawa yung isa. Oh my God, we're not over yet. There's still something between us. If only there were a time machine to bring us back to those beautiful memories. Wild side. Dalawang energies. The other person doesn't want. Ayaw na niya. Yung isa naman, gustong ilaban. So, nasan ka dito? Ilalaban mo? Ikaw ba yung lumalaban? O ikaw yung nag-give up na? Ano to parang falling out of love. Ganun. Walang third party situation. It's just that meron siyang ibang gustong i-pursue sa buhay. And pwedeng hindi yung relationship na yan or tipong asawa, pag-aasawa or settling down yung gusto niya sa ngayon. Kasi pwede tong merong offer na magsasettle down, mag-aasawa, pwedeng may offer ng yung may magpo-propose, may nag-propose pero the other person is not yet ready. So pwedeng kaya siya aalis sa relationship. See things from a fresh perspective. Practice compassion. So, syempre, if you're someone na gustong umalis dito sa relationship na to, mas maganda na ipaliwanag mo yung reason kung bakit. And kung ikaw yung gustong iwanan, no, mas maganda na humingi ka ng reason dun sa person na yon. At whatever reason it is, tanggapin mo. Oo. Para maka-move on ka. So, syempre, hindi naman yung mag-resonate para sa lahat. Kanya-kanya yan. Nasa sayo yan. Ano yung gagawin mo. So, just take what resonates. Okay? So, that is your reading, Taurus. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe, para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Taurus. See you again.